Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Hey girl, hey, it's your girl HIGHSCHOOL and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. As you guys see by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys a what's in my emergency kit video. So before we get to today's video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Passion. I'm 17 years old. I'm a Pisces. I'm born March 1st and I'm a senior in high school. I feel like I'm gonna start introducing myself to all of the new viewers. I know my old viewers, my returning viewers probably gonna get tired of that, but I do want you guys to know like about me and who I am a little bit more. So I feel like I should just start including that in my intro. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and see what I have in this emergency kit. I feel like when it comes to your emergency kit, you could just put whatever it is you feel that you want to carry in there. I feel like not every item in your emergency kit has to be only used for an emergency. I feel like your emergency kit does cause for emergencies, but it also works as a place for you to hold your essentials. I'm not gonna go in any particular order about what's in this emergency kit. I'm just gonna go ahead and dig right in. Alright y'all, so first things first, in my emergency kit I just have this charger. This is not like my new charger, okay? This is like my going out charger. It do what it need to do. It don't give me no problems, and it's like I'm a little bit content if I lose this, because this is not no expensive charger versus my like the new chargers, the good chargers. Like that's a whole $25 box. The cord is like another $25. That's like a $50 charger, and it's a good charger. And it's like you lose that, somebody get you for that, they're not coming up off of it. So it's like I just got this little cheap one in case I do get finished. I'm not trying to, but in case I do, I ain't gonna feel as bad. Next, I just have these backup pair of AirPods in here. It's literally like no AirPod in here because I have to find the other one, but I know exactly where the other one is at. But yeah, I just have these AirPods in here. It's nothing really particular as to why I'm in your AirPods. I have devices. I want to use my headphones at times during the day, so that's why I just have these in my emergency kit. Next, I just have this Kleenex. Kleenex is self-explanatory. My allergies do like to act up, and my nose likes to bleed in the most inconvenient times. So the last thing I want is to be a snotty nose or is to have a bloody nose, and I'm asking other people for tissue. I actually have like a bunch more of these stashed up, and one is in my backpack. So yeah, depending on what time y'all watching this video, what's my backpack video may or may not be up. But if it's popping up on iCloud, then it's out, then it's up. So make sure I go check that out. But so I definitely will be filming that video. But yeah, I just have these Kleenex in here because I can't be missing in action. Next, I just got this Into the Night Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. It's not really nothing too major. Hand sanitizer is just hand sanitizer. People have germs, so I do recommend that you get you some hand sanitizer, because you're not gonna always be able to go to the bathroom and wash your hands, and you're moving around the school all day. Like nobody wants to keep going to the bathroom to wash your hands. That's why you just have your hand sanitizer, and you'll be kind of sort of good money, okay? Next, I just have these Clorox disinfectant wipes. They're like a miniature pack or whatever. I got these in the travel section at Five Below, and these are really good, especially for like it getting cold in my city. Cold and flu season is coming up. Like a bunch of kids going to school, you don't know what germs they contracted over the summer. It's like when I say I'm wiping down desks, chairs, handlebars, door handlebars. It's like railroads. Like I don't want to be sick. I don't want to have germs. So make sure you're going to school equipped and ready to prevent yourself from getting as many germs as possible. Next, I just have the Johnson & Johnson's little miniature first aid kit. I got this from Five Below in the travel section as well. You know, it just got some like little Band-Aids. It's like a little miniature kit, you know, nothing too major. I will end up putting like some pimple patches in here, because pimple patches really do help my pimples like go down and go away, and they also stop me from picking at them. So that's like one thing I have to add in here, but that's pretty much that. Then next, I have this Method Man Sea Surf body wash. It's like a miniature little bottle. I also got this in the travel section at Five Below. The reason why I have body wash inside my bag is because towards the end of the week, and sometimes during the end of the school day, depending on what type of day it is, the school bathrooms be running out of soap. I am not about to use hand sanitizer on my hands after I just used the bathroom. Like that is so disgusting to me. So if there's no soap, like I'm not about to bend the rest and leave the bathroom without my hands washed. I'm just gonna go on my emergency kit, get me a little soap, wash my hands, and go on about my day. It's a body wash, but it's still soap that's gonna get you clean, so I ain't tripping. Next, I just have this lotion in my backpack. It's like in this little travel size bottle, because over the years, me putting miniature lotions in my backpack had big lotions in my backpack. Like no matter which way I cut it, putting lotion in my backpack or my emergency kit in like a pre-packaged bottle has never worked for me. Every time I've ever like traveled and used travel size bottles to hold like my liquids and stuff like that, like I never had an issue. So this year I just decided to put it in a travel size bottle because a travel size bottle is designed for like hustle and bustle, to be tossed, to be squished, to be mashed, all that. And it's like I could literally squeeze this with all my force and the top is still not coming off. So I really do recommend that y'all put your stuff in like travel safe bottles and try to find like the cute ones, the aesthetic ones. I was kind of on time crunch, and to be honest, this do look a little bit aesthetic to me in my opinion. I love gray, so yeah, just do what works for you in reality. Next, I just have this gum in my emergency kit. It is not mint gum, and I intentionally did that because I know that mint gum will go way faster than this kind of gum. Not very many people eat fruity kind of gum, so they see it, they be like, oh, it's that kind. So many factors that go into play when you get a different type of gum other than mint gum, because people will be more hesitant to ask. Versus the mint gum, like everybody that had mint gum before, they're gonna want your gum. And I just got me like a little baby pack, so it's easy to hide, easy to flip up, get my piece, and kind of like tuck you back on the side, you know, versus like that big old container of gum and it's like, damn, everybody knows you got gum. I really wanted to get one of those, but I said, you know what, I'm not gonna get one of those because that's really hard to like conceal, and I want to have something that conceals so I ain't gotta share my gum, because when it comes to gum, baby, I don't like to share. Next, I just have this mascara. This, you know, just a little simple mascara that I just threw in my emergency kit. If you wear mascara on a daily basis, you're gonna want to have one mascara in your emergency kit and another mascara for home, because you don't want to be mixing and matching the two items. I'm putting this mascara in my bag in case I forget to put mascara on before I leave the house. I don't want this to be the mascara that I leave the house with. I lose it at school or something happened to it, and then it's like now I have no more mascara for when I'm in the house. So make sure you have one for home and one for school. Next thing we got in there is edge control. Same thing as a mascara. You're going to want to have one edge control for home and one edge control for school. To be honest with y'all, I honestly been using this edge control for school because the one from home ran out and I just been being lazy. So in a minute, this finna be the one from home, and I'm gonna have to get another one for school because you need one for home and one for school. And me constantly going into this emergency kit, I'll be done lost this at home. So I'm honestly just gonna go and get another one from home and another one for school. You can't have edge control without an edge brush, so an edge brush as well is something that you want to have one for home and one for school, because you don't want to use the one for school and leave it at home, or have the one for home and bring it to school and lose it. You want to make sure you have everything everywhere that you go, and not everything needs to be brought with you, because this one gonna stay at home. But it's just an edge brush. This is my favorite kind of edge brush. This is the only type of edge brush that I use in this specific color. Like, you got the brush, the comb, the scooper, and then the comb again. So it's really like a one and done. My edges ain't done right now. They was earlier, but I decided to take it now. Next, I just got this over gel. My wisdom teeth are still going in. I do get teeth pains. My teeth are sensitive sometimes, so having this on deck, having this on hand, you could just stop the aggravation instantly, because when my teeth start to hurt or my teeth start to bother me, I get so freaking aggravated. And there's gonna be days where it's like the last thing I need is to be aggravated, like I got stuff to do. So I just go in the bathroom, put this on, rub it on my teeth or my gums or wherever it's hurting at, wait a few minutes, and then I'll be on my merry way. Next, I just got this lip gloss with me in here. This is something else that you're going to want to have one at home and one at school. Right here, this is the one for home, and then this is the one for school. I know exactly which is which because this one for home is lighter than the one that's for school, because I use this the most. This one for school is like, it has way more in it because I ain't been to school yet. Yes, I highly recommend that you have one for school and one for home. Next, I just got this Carmex right here. This is the strawberry kind. This is the only kind of Carmex that I wear. In my opinion, it just failed, but in my opinion, that is the best Carmex. A lot of times, like, my lips genuinely need to be moisturized, and lip gloss is not just gonna cut it. I'll put that on first to actually moisturize and medicate my lips, and then I'll put the lip gloss on top to give that extra shine and that extra gloss. Next, I just got this lip liner pencil in my bag. This is in the color Rosewood, and the other one that I had in my emergency kit, I forgot exactly what I did with it, but I have so many lip liners. Like, this is something else that you're gonna want to have, one for home and one for school. But it's to the point where it's like, it don't even matter which one I bring from home and use it for the one for school, because I have so many and so many different shades. So it's just like, whatever. But in my opinion, you do want to get yourself right and have one for home and one for school. I'm trying to be like me, mixing and matching, because sooner than later I'm gonna be real confused. Next, we just got these pads. I have 2 different types of pads in my bag for 2 different reasons. These are like my pads. These are my personal. These are my go-to. This is what I like to use. And then these, we have these. These, I was using these before I met these, but these are the ones that I'm like willing to give away. I know a lot of people are picky about what type of pad that they get when they need a pad, but in my opinion, I feel like this is gonna get you right. This is gonna get you right. It's gonna do you your little 1-2, 1-2. You're gonna have a lot of extra coverage, and that's just not doing that. I'm not gonna lie, these are a little bit more on the expensive side. These are cheaper. They're still like in the same price range, but you get more bang for your buck with these. So I have these in here because I'm willing to like give these away and let people use these. I tend to have more of these in my emergency kit than these, because I never know how many times it's going to be a point in time where I come into a position and somebody needs help from me, or somebody needs something that I have, and if I have it to offer, then why not? Next, I just have 2 brand new clean pairs of underwear. So yeah, to be honest, believe it or not, I've never needed to change my underwear at school. It just never got to that point for me, thankfully. But you never know. I like to be humble. You never know what your body may do, how it may sneak up on you, how it may surprise you. So I do just have 2 brand new clean pair. Like, when I say brand new clean pair, like, it literally still has the plastic on it, like brand new pack. And I never know, somebody may just be that down to the point where it's like they need an extra pair of underwear, and it's like, these brand new, bitch, do you want it or not? So I feel like same thing. If I'm in position to help somebody, I do want to help them free of charge. I'm not going to judge you. Like, this is the whole point of me putting this extra stuff in my emergency kit. Next, I just had this Suave stick deodorant. Get a deodorant that works for you. If they made a degree spray deodorant in a miniature bottle, then I would have went that route, but they don't. And as the season is changing, my hygiene products do tend to change. I just already switched over into like the winter side of the products that I use, so I don't even have to make the switch later when winter time comes. But I just have this Suave deodorant. I love this deodorant. This deodorant is a holy grail, and you'll be smelling this deodorant all freaking day. Next, I just got some Cottonelle flushable wipes. I got these flushable wipes for like when I'm on my period, or if I get musty one day at school and I need to go in the bathroom and freshen up. But these, in regards to my period, I just feel like this gets everything. This gets all the blood. This gets all the residue. Like, you gonna walk out that bathroom squeaky clean. And it's like, with these, in regards to like being musty and stuff like that, like, if you're musty, you can't put deodorant on top of must. Like, you need to go in the bathroom, you need to wipe up under your arms, you need to get away all the old deodorant, take off some of the must, and then put deodorant on top to mask the must a little bit more. But if it's getting to that point where you had to do all that at school, the shower better be the first place you go when you go home. I said what I said. And then last but not least, I just have this Dolce & Gabbana Lily perfume. It's like a miniature perfume or whatever that I just have in my emergency kit. And this is like, you know, this is for an actual emergency, in case like in case I forget to put on perfume before I walk out the door. Literally, it's like literally hard to not put the perfume on before I walk out the door, because it's literally like right by my door. But in case I'm feeling a different scent, I just have this in there for, you know, whichever main reason I decide to have it in there. So yeah, alright you guys, so I want to say that pretty much concludes today's video. Of course, I'm gonna have like my IDs and my wallet and my cash and stuff like that in my emergency kit, but I didn't want to show y'all exactly what I keep it on, because people from my school do watch my videos. I ain't trying to get got, okay? I ain't trying to get got. But yeah, so this pretty much concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. They'll be on the screen and a link on the description box down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles.